Hello everyone and welcome back. How are you doing today? This week we have Rakshabandhan and few of the family members are visiting us for a dinner. So I wanted to share some of my meal prep and also a little bit of decor here and there that I'm going to do. Majorly, I'll be dressing up my dining table as we'll be spending more time there eating food. But first, I want to tackle lunch for today. Ishi wanted to eat idli and butter. Now, I can't let her eat just idli and butter. Though idli is really good food, but some amount of vegetable must go in her stomach once in a while. So I'm tossing her idli portion into loads of vegetables with a little bit of salt. And yes, she likes it plain salted idli. Cooking different food for different buddy in the family is really difficult. So I have come up with my own ways of customizing food in some way or the other. Now I'm adding mix of different sauces like Szechuan sauce, soya sauce, tomato sauce, and just throwing in the same idli and couple of vegetables. It's time for an Instagram shoot.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my...
Lunch is over. Now I load my dishwasher and get started with the meal prep. In this video, I'm just giving you a glimpse of how I do my meal prep and things that I'll be using for Rakhi. But in my upcoming video, most probably next week, I'll be sharing a detailed meal prep video where I'll share how I store my vegetables, various fruits that we eat throughout the week. Now this has saved me so much time and made me eat a lot of vegetables. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and giving you just a little sneak peek on how I do it. Now that the meal prep is over, I want to tackle the decor of the home. I'm planning to do a simple yet an elegant tablescape and few candles here and there. I'm planning to decorate everything with fresh flowers, and I'll show you in just a moment. But before, I want to give all the space a thorough cleaning. On this channel, I already have the makeover of this dining area and my living room area, and I'll leave the link of all the makeover videos in the description box and in the eye above. This marble turntable is my favorite. I'm using my microfiber cloth, and I have shared all my favorite cleaning products in a video which is linked again in the description box. I want to lay the foundation with a white tablecloth. Actually, this is a single bed sheet, and I have been using this trick forever now. I'm also using this maroon color dupatta. It's a chiffon dupatta, and I'll be using it to create some interest and movement on the table. For decorating, I'm using some marigolds in different colors and daisies. I was still waiting for some flower bouquet to come, but I didn't want to wait any longer. I'll be sharing the entire look along with the food on the table with you guys on Instagram, and I'll try and shoot a shorts video for you all to just give you an idea how this tablescape worked. I'm also adding various brass candlesticks, glass candle, and just throwing in some greenery that I already had. These are faux greenery. I got it from Ikea long time back, and I shared it in a video which I'll link in the description box and in the eye above. I've shared all these crockeries that you see, the black plate and the white plate, in my kitchen tour video, which I'll share again in the eye above. This is the easiest way to put a napkin in a ring. I'm going to dress up this gold napkin ring with a tulsi sprig and a daisy on top. You can use any kind of flower or greenery, but I just don't want to put anything which is not edible or toxic on the plate. I've replaced that marble turntable with this pedestal bowl, just adding some flowers and some floating candles here and there, and I have finished with my tablescape. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to the channel, as there will be loads and loads of videos coming up on this channel. Also, don't forget to watch all the previous videos which are linked in the description box. You'll get a fair idea from where we actually started. And now I'm leaving you with the reveal in 3, 2, 1, go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And also follow me on Instagram at Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. Until next time, wishing you all a very happy Rakshabandhan. Enjoy it with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching.